Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about the Beebeecraft YouTube Cooperation Program. If you're curious to see how you can get crafting products for free, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I got free products from the Beebeecraft Company. So the Beebeecraft Company has a YouTube program where they allow YouTubers to get free products in exchange for doing some tutorials on their channel showing how you use your crafting supplies. Now, I found out about this through Alex. Her channel is Life with Sugar. She's got all kinds of fun stuff going on there, and I just happened to come across one of her videos where she was talking about this program, and I'm like, how do I do it? So she explained how you do it in her video and provided links below, and I'm going to do the exact same thing in this video. But before I move on to show you what I got from their company, I want to go ahead and go into a detailed description of how this program works and everything that you need to do if you want to take part in it. So why don't we go ahead and knock that out, and then I'll show you all the awesome things that I got from their company. Okay guys, so when you get to their website, it looks like this, and although it's very easy to get distracted by all the awesome things they have for sale, we're here to talk about their YouTube program. So we're going to go to the bottom of the page here, click that little YouTube program button, and it'll take you here. So this page talks about their YouTube Cooperation Program, where you'll be able to get Beebeecraft products for free. So do you want to get Beebeecraft products for free? Would you like to try their free samples and share your creations? Well, if you have over 100 subscribers, you're welcome to contact them to get the chance. Now let's scroll down to take a look at what the requirements are if you're interested in this program. Okay, so we'll start with number 1, their basic qualifications. Your YouTube channel should have over 100 subscribers. They will refer your channel activity to decide whether to cooperate in the end. Number 2, making videos for them and publishing the videos on your YouTube channel. You should make videos for their products within 30 days after you receive the items and publish them on your YouTube channel, 1 per week. When you publish the videos, please add the link of the product page or home page they offer. And finally, number 3, please send the video links to them once you publish your videos. Pretty easy, guys. This is such an awesome program, and I hope that you take advantage of it. So if you made it this far and you're interested in participating in the program, let's scroll on down to take a look at the very simple form you have to fill out to do that. So if you're interested in applying for the program, you would fill out the form that looks like this below, or you can send an email to market@beebeecraft.com. Guys, it's basic information. They just want your name, email address, the country, your YouTube channel link, how many fans, followers that you have, and then you can leave them a message if you want. You click submit. You're good to go. This is such an easy thing to do, guys. And again, the products are free. So awesome. This is exciting. So if you are interested in participating in this program, let's scroll on down and take a look at some of their popular products so you can get an idea of what type of crafting supplies they have. Okay guys, as you can see, some of the popular categories are glass beads, jewelry wire, pendants and charms, storage and packing, and thread and cord. But I didn't pick anything from any of those categories, so let's see what I got. Okay guys, so that's how easy it is to participate in this program. So if you're interested, make sure you click that link below to get yourself started in the program. Now let's jump into the things that I got from their website for my tutorials. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this black and white ribbon. I don't remember the width of this one, but this is a smaller width than the other one that I'm about to show you. And my plan for the ribbon is to make some ribbon trees. I've been really excited to show you guys this craft, but I wanted to wait until I got the ribbon in from this company before I showed you how to do it. So I also got this really awesome traditional red and green with the white stripe in the middle. So it's going to be like a candy stripe ribbon tree. It is going to be so pretty. I so can't wait to do this with you guys. I'm really excited. So the other thing that I got to go with the ribbon are these, they're like vintage postage stamp Christmas buttons. They come in a pack of 50. They're wood. So awesome. These look a lot better than I thought they would. Of course, I'm not going to show all of them to you because there is a plethora plethora of different designs they have in there, but I'm going to show you a couple so you can see what they look like. So we have like a vintagey Santa Claus that says season's greetings. I love this one. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to use these. And then we have the Christmas tree. So it's very vintagey looking. You see how it's like a postage stamp, only it's like wood. It is so awesome. Oh my gosh, I love these things. And then we have some snowflakes. I am really excited to use these guys. These are going to look so great on those ribbon trees as embellishments. So that's what my plan is for those products. And then I had planned on using the multi-color glue sticks for projects on this channel, but I didn't buy any yet, and I was just getting ready to buy some. But then I found out about this program, jumped on their website, saw they had the glue, so I thought, why not get it for free? So I got these multicolor glue sticks. They come in a plethora of different colors, guys. You get a whole pack, and you get just a few glue sticks in each little baggie, but that's okay because a little bit goes a long way. And I'll go over how to use these and what I'm going to do with these in the video that I'm going to show you how I'm going to be utilizing this stuff. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. I've had many ideas with the multicolor glue sticks. I just hadn't bought any yet. So now that I'm able to get them for free, I thought, okay, now we can really just experiment and see what happens. I'm really excited to show you guys what I have in mind. But that is all that I got from their company. This was a $40 value that I got for free, and you can do the same thing if you want to participate in this program. Just make sure you click that link to get yourself started. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. You wouldn't want to miss any of these tutorials that I'm going to do with these items I got from this company. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambassador's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have no idea which one this is. I hate it when I start a video and go completely blank. Try her again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambassador's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I look weird. Like I pointed to myself, but you couldn't see me point to myself, so try it again. Now, the Beebeecraft company has a YouTube program where you are able to get some free supplies so that you can do some tutorials showing how you use their craft supplies on your channel. Where to next, Amber? All right. So the Beebeecraft company has a YouTube program where you're able to get free products valued... Okay, guys, so that's how easy it is to take part in this program. So if you're interested, make sure that you click the link below so that you can go ahead and... I don't know where to go after that. Like, I need to think about it before I film. Try it again. Okay, guys, so that's how easy it is to take part in this program. So if you're interested, make sure that you click the link below so that you can go ahead... I don't know where to go. Hold on. Okay, guys, so that's how easy it is to take part in this program. So if you're interested, make sure that you click the link below so that you can take a part... No, I don't... What are you taking apart? Try it again. Okay, guys, so that's how easy it is to take part in this program. So if you're interested, make sure you click that link below so that you can... I don't know where to go after that. Why do I keep messing up? Try it again. Okay, guys, so there you go. That's how... No. Again. Okay, guys, so that's how easy it is to take part in this program. So if you're interested, make sure you click that link below so that you can get started in participating in this awesome program. No. Now let's get into the awesome things that I got from them for my projects. So the first thing that I picked out were these... Do it again. Hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. You don't want to miss... I was done. And then I messed up. Like, that's so frustrating.